Exciting video for you all. We'll be talking about 10 incredible AI tools that you won't believe actually exist. And the best part is, these tools have the potential to help you make $10,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Tool number 1 on our list is MoneyMaker 3000. This AI-powered software analyzes market trends, identifies profitable opportunities, and helps you make informed investment decisions. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. With its advanced algorithms and real-time data analysis, MoneyMaker 3000 has the potential to boost your monthly earnings significantly. Imagine the possibilities. Number 2. Tool number 2 is Social Savvy. This incredible AI tool supercharges your social media presence. It analyzes engagement patterns, suggests optimal posting times, and even generates creative captions and hashtags. By leveraging the power of AI, Social Savvy saves you time and effort while maximizing your reach on social media platforms. Increased engagement means increased opportunities for monetization. Number 3. Moving on to tool number 3, we have Copycraft. This AI tool is perfect for content creators and writers. It generates compelling blog posts, captivating articles, and persuasive sales copy at the click of a button. Copycraft is an AI-powered copywriting tool that generates high-quality marketing content to target and engage your audience. Copycraft takes the guesswork out of writing, helping you produce high-quality content that attracts readers and drives conversions. Think about the passive income potential from a well-monetized blog. Number 4. Next up is TradeMaster, an AI-powered tool designed for stock traders. It analyzes historical data, predicts market movements, and suggests profitable trades in real time. With TradeMaster, you can make smarter trading decisions, potentially boosting your earnings in the stock market. Keep in mind, though, that trading involves risks, and it's important to do your research. TradeMaster is composed of 6 key modules. 1. Multi-modality market data of different financial assets at multiple granularity. 2. Whole data pre-processing pipeline. 3. A series of high-fidelity data-driven market simulators for mainstream key tasks. 4. Efficient implementations of over 13 novel RL-based trading algorithms. 5. Systematic evaluation toolkits with 6 axes and 17 measures. 6. Different interfaces for interdisciplinary users. Number 5. Tool number 5 is AdBoost. Are you a content creator or business owner struggling to reach your target audience? AdBoost is here to save the day. AdBoost AI has been a game changer for my YouTube channel. It has helped me understand my audience better and create ads that resonate with them. As a result, my ad click-through rates have increased significantly, leading to higher ad revenue. It's like having a personal marketing expert by your side. Now that we know the benefits of AdBoost AI analyzes your content and suggests the most effective placements to ensure your ads are seen by the right audience at the right time. AdBoost AI offers intelligent targeting. It uses AI algorithms to identify and target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors that are most likely to engage with your ads. This ensures that your ads are shown to the people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. AdBoost AI provides real-time performance tracking. You can monitor your ad campaigns in real time, assess their effectiveness, and make adjustments on the fly. This flexibility allows you to optimize your ads continuously and maximize your returns. In addition to these powerful features, AdBoost AI offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to navigate and harness its capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced advertiser, this tool simplifies the process and empowers you to achieve better results. Number 6. Now, let's move on to tool number 6, Genius Translator. Breaking language barriers has never been easier. This powerful AI tool translates text, audio, and even video content in real time. With Genius Translator, you can expand your audience globally, collaborate with international partners, and tap into new markets that were previously inaccessible. More reach equals more potential income streams. Number 7. AI Content Creator Pro. This tool uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to generate high-quality content automatically. Whether you need articles, blog posts, or social media captions, this tool can do it all. By leveraging AI Content Creator Pro, you can save time and effort, and even monetize your content creation skills by offering your services to businesses and individuals. Number 8. Next up, we have Social Media Growth Wizard. This AI tool analyzes your target audience, engagement patterns, and trending content to help you grow your social media presence organically by following its recommendations. You can attract more followers, increase engagement, and ultimately monetize your social media accounts through brand partnerships, sponsored posts, and more. Number 9. SEO Analyzer. Search engine optimization plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your website. With this tool, you can analyze your website's performance, identify areas for improvement, and receive recommendations on how to boost your search engine rankings. It's like having an SEO expert at your fingertips. Here are some practical steps to make the most of your SEO analyzer. Analyze and optimize. Start by running a comprehensive analysis of your website using the SEO Analyzer tool. Take note of the suggestions and recommendations provided and make the necessary changes to improve your site's SEO performance. Monitor progress. Regularly track your website's performance using the analyzer. Monitor changes in rankings, organic traffic, and backlinks. This will help you gauge the effectiveness of your optimization efforts. Adapt your strategy. SEO is a dynamic field, and search engines constantly update their algorithms. Keep a close eye on the latest trends, algorithm changes, and competitor strategies. Adjust your SEO approach accordingly to maintain and improve your rankings. And there you have it, folks. SEO analyzers are an indispensable tool for any website owner or digital marketer. By leveraging the insights they provide, you can fine-tune your SEO strategy, outrank your competition, and drive more targeted organic traffic to your website. Remember, SEO is a journey, and an SEO analyzer is your trusty navigator. Number 10. Now let's dive into Social Media Manager AI. Managing multiple social media platforms can be overwhelming, but with this AI tool, you can streamline your social media efforts. It helps you schedule posts, analyze engagement metrics, and even suggests the best content to share based on your target audience's preferences. It's a game changer for social media marketers. Social media management has become an integral part of any successful business or influencer strategy. It involves handling multiple platforms, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, analyzing data, and much more. This can be a time-consuming and overwhelming task, but AI is here to save the day. Social Media Manager AI is an advanced tool that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to streamline and enhance various aspects of social media management. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.